Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I am on my way to the Penis Festival. Yes, Penis Festival. So this is the only festival that I knew about prior to coming to Japan. I wonder why. But anyway, so I'm on my way now to that festival, so stay tuned.
The line to get into the shrine was very long.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yeah. After Franco, oh my god!
Saw you. My world stopped spinning. Now my world revolves around you. Did your heart stop when you first saw me? Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me?
So I'm here editing a video, right? And I've just realized that I am the worst vlogger ever because I haven't captured a lot of footage from the festival. So let me just explain what this festival is all about. So this is called the Kanamara Matsuri, whatever it is. I'm gonna leave the name below. So this festival is held on the first Sunday of April each year, and it's held at the Kanamara Shrine. So what is this festival all about? So it's a festival that brings awareness to like sexually transmitted diseases. People who are having fertility issues, they come to this shrine to pray. I still have my penis shaped lollipop that I purchased there. This is for 500 yen. Like I paid $500 for this thing that I don't even like how it tastes. But anyway, so they said that the sun is coming out. They said that it is used to raise, so this festival is used to raise money for HIV research. Guys, if you're in Japan and you're here for like in April, first Sunday in April, you need to check this out at Kawasaki, the Kanamara Shrine at Kawasaki. It's gonna be forever for you to get in, but you know, at least it's not just a festival about penis. There's a meaning behind it, you know. So yeah, go and check it out. It's just like you go there, you eat. There are different food stands there. Food stands there. There is I think they have a little concert, but we didn't stay for the concert because of course more than likely the concert is gonna be in Japanese, so we actually left before the concert started. I think they had concerts at different time because people were coming and going. But even when we came, there are people who were leaving. When we were leaving, there are people who were still in the line to enter. So I think it starts 10 to 4:45. So yeah, like it's good to explain something different. I've never been to a penis festival before. Like, it was something different for me. I was expecting more, to be honest. I was expecting, like, I don't know what I was expecting, but I was expecting like a bang. I was expecting it to be like a bigger venue because of the amount of people who came. There were thousands of people. Like I said, the line was very long. We're in the line for like almost 2 hours to just get into this little place, But yeah, like I said, at least I got to experience this festival, you know. So guys, so I think this is it for this video. I thank you guys for watching it until the end, and please remember to subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, so until next time.